When I say having a healthy snack, especially during this festive period, this is what I meant. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is the Lex and welcome back to my kitchen. So guys, today I'm going to teach you a very quick healthy snack you can snack on during this festive season. I know you guys don't want to stress yourself. You want to Netflix and chill. You want to enjoy yourself with your family members. And I'm here with this healthy snacks you can try out, okay? So guys, first thing first, you need your flour, you need your sugar, baking powder, nutmeg if you like, and your onions. That is our main ingredients. Okay, so here you're basically getting in all your dry ingredients. Trust me to leave the full ingredients measurement in the description box just in case you want to make use of my same measurement. Okay, now you want to give this a good mix all together. Mix all the dry ingredients together, and while you're doing this, I hope your onions is ready because that is the flavor for the simple healthy recipe. Ta-da! The hour is here. Now here is our grated onions. If you don't want to see a lot of onions in your meal, you can go as well as blend them all together. And if you want to see it, just slice them into it and you have it. Okay, so now here is our lovely and healthy dough. You want, see how stretchy that looks? Look at that. Ooh, just in case you don't have this cutting material or equipment I'm using here, forget about that. Do you remember what you used to cut your chin just at all? Do you make use of a razor blade? Now this is the time for you to bring it out. Quick. Now you want to make use of your rolling pin to roll this out one after the other. Make sure it is on flat space and then you can start cutting it out into your desired shape. For this is just like cutting chin in a big chunk. Yeah, got it. Now you want to roll that out. Make sure you roll it out as flat as possible. Then cut it out into your desired sizes. For this, we're going for a big, chunky kind of shape. So a very simple recipe you can try out at the comfort of your home. Here is it. Ladies, and gentlemen, I love you guys, and I hope you guys are going to be trying this simple recipe just during this festive period. I hope to see you next time. And just in case you're subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I'm going back to watch film and chill. Bye guys.